Alright, you guys, we're doing this for the video. I am in Wendover, Utah, which is actually a city in Nevada. I'm on the border of Nevada and Utah. Actually, in Nevada, it's West Wendover. So it's basically one town that is divided by the state line. And I am going to go out and deal with this cold. It's like 30 degrees outside, to go get some video of Wendover Will, who is on the Nevada side. He's all lit up right now. We're doing this for the video. I am in Wendover, Utah, which is actually a city in Nevada. I'm on the border of Nevada and Utah. Actually, in Nevada, it's West Wendover. So it's basically one town that is divided by the state line. And I am going to go out and deal with this cold. It's like 30 degrees outside, to go get some video of Wendover Will, who is on the Nevada side. He's all lit up right now, and I wanted to see him all lit up. I'm at the Knights Inn, which is really nice. I should have taken a video before I destroyed the place, but I'll show you what we're working with. There's me. We've got a nice bathroom. Bruce and I have both taken advantage of this. And I met up with a friend today, and he brought me some whiskey. Yes. And there's Bruce, and there's a king-size bed. It's so nice. There's a couch. Charging everything, taking full advantage. Ready to go bye-bye? You want to go for a car ride? Let's go. Come on. You want to go bye-bye? Alright, so Wendover Will was created in 1952. He's actually created from the same guy who created Vegas Vic, if you've ever seen him on Fremont Street. Gonna insert a picture right here, and pretty interesting. So this little town is, like I said, divided by the borders of Utah and Nevada. There's obviously no casinos in Utah, but there are in Nevada. So there's a little state line here, and there's some casinos here. There was the state line casino, and that's why Wendover Will was created. There's also a pepper mill here. There's a Golden Nugget here. There's a couple other casinos. I'm not really sure what they are, but let's go see Wendover Will. Good boy. Get back over here. Good boy. Right. Clean the windshield. Got some gas. Did some work. I've been sitting in this parking lot for about 2 hours. So once I get some coffee, I'm going to hit the road. I'm not sure where I'm going. There's a little bar I wanted to check out, but it's so cold up here. And the bar is about an hour north, so I'm not sure if I'm going to do that or not. I need to figure out my plan. If you're ever in this area of Nevada, come check out Wendover. It's a really cool place. I really enjoyed my stay here. That night's hotel was a good hotel. It was super cheap. Cost me about $120 for 2 nights, which was really nice. I was able to do laundry, sleep in, relax. That king-size bed was so nice. And the little town is really cute. I didn't go check out any of the casinos, but I did enjoy my time here. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye-bye.